Hello, welcome to StHealthy Nutrition. My name is Dr. Hillary Lampers. I'm co-founder, along with my husband Ryan Lampers, of StHealthy Nutrition and StHealthy Nutrition CBD. Last night, as we were watching the devastation that was happening across the West, with fires raging through mountainsides and not only taking out towns, but many of our friends have had houses burned to the ground. We've seen fatalities and loss of life, as well as animals suffering in these horrible fires. Here in Bozeman, we've had a horrible fire where over 28 homes have been lost in just one weekend. Oregon right now is struggling with some of the worst fires in their history, and Northern California has been battling the fires now for over a month, and many people have lost their homes. We decided that for the month of September, we'd like to give 100% of our profits from StHealthy Nutrition to fire relief. We don't know who that is yet. We'd like to donate to family in Montana, if we could donate to a family in Washington and Oregon, as we are originally from the Pacific Northwest, and of course, California. Right now, we just know that we want to give back. So 100% of your purchase will go to helping a family who so desperately needs it right now. So consider purchasing a product in September. If you don't want to buy product, but you want to donate, please go to GoFundMe.com. There's many stories on there about people who need your help right now to rebuild. And we encourage you to go and donate as much as you can. Thank you for being here. We hope our products help and support you in your life, and we thank you for giving back. It means a lot.